how to send old pictures as new snaps on Snapchat. So if you want to send your old Snapchat pictures as a new snap, then first of all open up your Snapchat application. Then after opening, now simply choose a random snap, and then here on the upper right side you will have a bunch of options, right? So you can simply go to the third option, which is the stickers, and now you will have photos option. Tap on that, and then you can simply choose a photo from your camera roll or from your memories, and you can simply choose that snap, and now you can adjust it as you like, and then you can enlarge it. And now you can simply tap on next, which is on the bottom right side, and then you can choose a person that you would like to send, and then tap on the arrow, which is on the bottom right side, and that's it. Now you can view that snap, and it's just like a new snap. So that's it. That's how you send old snaps as a new snap. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.